All right, here is the third project in our Udacity Android Basics course. And this one is without a tutorial. So now that we've learned XML and a little bit of Java, we were challenged to create a scorekeeping app on our own. So Zilch is a family favorite. So using just what we've combined here, I used a constraint layout, and I also want to be able to add more players. So I'm going to turn this horizontally, so that we can see that I've added a scroll view so that we'll be able to scroll through the other players. Once you get 500 points, you can click a smiley face, and then you can start earning your points. Next person doesn't get any. Next person gets a smiley face. 1,000 points. Right now I've got a reset that just starts it all over. Oops. And it did not reset the smileys. But this is a work in progress, so I need to reset the smileys, and I also want to get these player boxes to hold still a little better. So this is the first version, and we'll have more to come.